morning, everybody. Let me turn this off real quick before I get copyrighted. Anyways, I definitely feel a lot better today to show y'all this ugly mug right here. So let me tell you the plan for today. The plan for today will be to take apart the head and all the bottom end pieces of the D16Z6 engine. All right. So the goal is to grab the crank, oil pan, and all that stuff to make my CSS 600 horsepower rated block to work and to go get it built with my Biter pistons and my Skunk 2 Alpha connecting rods. Yesterday we took apart by we I mean me and my dad, because he was helping me out a lot. Took apart most of the accessories that go onto the engine, flywheel, transmission. Alright guys, so first things first, before you want to take off the valve cover and everything else, you want to take off the spark plugs, because if you don't take them off, you're gonna be in the world of hurt. Ask me how I know. It was definitely a bad and crappy day for me to do something so dumb and careless, believe me. Oh, these are brand new spark plugs. Look at these. Huh. It's actually pretty interesting. Brand new spark plugs on this thing. And they're Bosch. They're actually not that bad of a brand. And they're not covered in oil, which is a good, definitely a good sign. Hopefully the rest of them are good. I suggest y'all break these loose first before you just use the impact. You definitely don't want to break these, because if you break these inside of the head, oh god, man, y'all are gonna have to drill into them, and it's just a pain in the ass. Just take the time to break them off first, believe me. Be a little bit tricky too. Basically teabagging this fucking engine. Not bad at all. It's a little bit gunky, but not too bad. I think there's milk. There is coolant mixed with oil in there. Hopefully that's not a bad sign. Well, the only thing we're gonna need off of this damn thing is a crank, so should be alright. But we'll fucking see. I don't know, bro. Pistons look good though. No cracks, no chipping, nothing crazy like that. So, alright, we're gonna wait on Julio to put this on the new engine stand we got over there. Boom. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the transmission so that we have one less thing to do. This block is disgusting. I'll probably just keep the block just in case. I'm gonna keep this Z6 block just in case the other one blows up. I'll have a spare, and we'll have, we'll have a Z6 head, everything that we need to build a Z6. So it's just for a little bit, I'll keep it until we go bigger power. Not too bad. Bro.
Alright, get the locking pin. It's on top of fire keys. Right there, left hand. Alright, you gotta show the cooling. You got any cardboard?
Yeah, I do.
So, this will happen if you don't have the right tools.
Obviously.
Just pay attention to it, make sure it's not a slip.
Okay. Nope. That's it?
That's it.
Damn it, boy. Does it just come straight out?
Now you can take those bolts off. Underneath this crank bolt. And let's see. This is yep. This is like the little, it has a little key where you want to look at it.
It has a little what? Oh, right here in the corner. And what does that use for?
That locks.
That's like a guide for the pulleys and shit?
It locks it onto the pulleys.
So much for doing this slowly, right?
All that coolant's just gonna spill out from where the cylinders are.
Yeah. There's no saving it. Oh. It looks like milk, right?
No, it's mixing because these are their oil ports right here.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
I'll just leave this here.
Yeah, I'll be alright. Alright guys, so we took off the oil pan. Now we're gonna take off these bolts that hold on to this thingy-majig. I'm no expert, so I'm not gonna tell you but it might be whenever it's not what it is. And don't worry, we already took them off in sequence, but right now we're just loosening them up. Got a baggie for me, homie? Oh man. Right there in the cart. Oh, these are the same ones I got over there. That's it? Oh, hold on. Throw it in there.
Okay.
That was a fucking fail.
Okay. Look, your favorite part. Your engine is getting burnt.
Give it here. Damn, dude. That's an ugly ass fucking baby. Oh, got that motherfucker.
I would put the cap back on it and just put the bolts.
All right.
Just to keep it all.
Well, so much for putting it in a bag.
Oh, I see what you were trying to do there.
Ooh.
Trying to keep everything well.
Yeah, something like that. Dámelo. Oh, fuck. Bruh. Alright guys, we took out the pistons, now we got a bare block.
Alright, now it's time for the look change.
Sorry for y'all being dirty or whatever, but things happen. Wipe it off. There you go. There you go, look at that. These guys are mint now. Alright guys, this is what we need right here. We need the crank so that we can build that CSS block over there. Not the vacuum cleaner, but the block behind the vacuum cleaner.
Wow, look at that. Look at that. It's already running, you hear it?
That's fucked up. Damn. Alright guys, so this is what we needed right here. So that we can start building that CSS block. So we're gonna take this over to the machine shop and have them balance it, make sure it's gonna be good for us to put it on that block. And thank you so much for watching part 2. We'll see y'all guys on the next one.